Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your PayPal password if you've forgotten it or just want to create a new one for security reasons. You can do this from either the PayPal website or the mobile app, and the process only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal website or launch the PayPal app on your phone. On the login screen, you'll see the usual fields for your email and password right below them. Click or tap Forgot Password. A pop-up will appear asking for the email address or username linked to your PayPal account. Go ahead and enter that. You can use either your primary or secondary email, whichever is associated with your account. Once you've typed it in, click Next to continue. If you don't remember which email you used, click Forgot Your Email right under the box. PayPal will let you enter up to 3 possible email addresses to check which one matches your account. If that doesn't work, you can always contact PayPal support directly by phone for help.next. You'll need to select a security check method. PayPal gives you a few options. You can confirm through the PayPal app, answer your security questions, confirm your credit card number, or choose to receive a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you choose your preferred option, follow the prompts to complete the security check. Enter either the code you received or the information PayPal asks for, then click Continue. Just remember, if you're using a security code, it expires after about 5 minutes, so make sure to enter it right away. Now, you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter and confirm your new password. Type it in twice to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're ready, press Update to finalize the change. That's it. Your PayPal password has been successfully reset. Go back to the login screen, sign in with your email and new password, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more quick PayPal and online security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.